Hi, I'm Gabriella.
And I'm Anya.
And we're representing Dubai College in SciComm.
Today I'll be talking to you about climate change, a serious problem in the current world, and the science behind it.
People often refer to global warming when discussing climate change, and it is a large contributing factor, but they aren't the same thing. Climate change is a general change in climate patterns such as temperature or wind. Global warming or global cooling is a specific change in the global surface temperature.
There are some natural causes, but the majority of the problem is caused by us releasing billions of tons of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere all the time.
Climate change will affect us a lot. It will change our environment for resources and for living, therefore affecting the economy. It will bring more extreme weather, sea level rises, it could alter our ecosystems, and it could also affect our health.
The centre of climate change comes from the greenhouse effect. The Earth gets heated up from the rays of the sun and it absorbs some of this energy, but it cools off by giving infrared radiation, which is like releasing energy back out into space. However, before it can escape, it reaches greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide. These gases absorb some energy, which makes the atmosphere warmer, in turn making the Earth's surface warmer too.
By burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, we are producing carbon dioxide. Carbon naturally moves from one part of the Earth to another through something called the carbon cycle. However, at the moment we are burning more and more fossil fuels, adding more carbon to the atmosphere quickly, faster than the natural processes can remove it, such as photosynthesis.
Global warming increases the amount of evaporated ocean water in the atmosphere. High levels of water vapour in the atmosphere create conditions better for heavy precipitation and more violent storms.
But at the same time, more ice caps and glaciers are melting due to the high temperatures, releasing a mass amount of water into the ocean, which contributes to rising sea levels, which means more floods.
So what can you do about it? Your actions may not stop climate change completely, but they can definitely help. An example is growing your own fruit and vegetables. By doing this, you're preventing more carbon dioxide from entering the air from fossil fuels, which power the transportation of your food. But the overall aim is to reduce your carbon footprint. Turn off lights, buy compact fluorescent lights, walk or ride your bike instead of taking your car. Think green.